back in my favorite salon, High Texture, and as you can see, my hair looks super dry and it needs a whole treatment done. I'm here to get my hair straightened for my birthday. So once a year, I always come here to get my hair straightened because I know that I will be in good hands. So continue watching as my hair goes from curly to straight. I'm not sure about you guys, but I love when my hair is being done by someone else. I rarely, and I mean rarely, let anyone in my hair. But as I mentioned, I know my hair is in good hands when I come to this salon. So to come here and have someone wash my hair and straighten my hair is a big stress relief off of me. And if you're natural, you know what I mean by that, because having to do your own hair is a whole day process, and you got to take time out your day to do your own hair. So just imagine how I feel right now. It's a big stress relief. as I mentioned earlier, I only have my hair straightened once a year. Before I was natural, I used to straighten my hair once a month or even every 2 weeks. It was just not healthy to have that much heat on my hair. So now that I'm natural and fully natural, I just only straighten my hair once a year because I feel like that is good enough for me. I'm looking back at this video and I'm noticing as she's starting to straighten my hair is really thin compared to how it was the last time I came to the salon. So I know there's something I'm not doing on my part. Usually I wash my hair every week. Usually I do a deep conditioning. But lately, for the past couple of weeks, I have not really been taking care of my hair like I'm supposed to. So now this is the after effect of my hair, and that's when my hair looks a little thin. So now seeing this is a reality check for me, and I definitely need to start doing the same routines that I have been doing my hair and stop slacking, because this is not acceptable. My hair is not this thin, but it's okay. It's a little minor setback, but I will be back. guys can see a little bit what I was speaking of earlier in the video, that my hair looks a little thin. Well, too thin for my liking. I know how my hair is when it's straight, and I know how my hair is when it's blow dried. And as you can see, my hair looks really uneven. Not so much, but for me, it looks uneven, and I have split ends here. So as you can see, she's gonna we're talking, and she's letting me know where exactly that she's gonna cut my hair at. And just looking at this makes me a little sad, but it lets me know what I need to do going forward, because when you slack on your hair, these are some of the results that happens. When you're not doing the same routines, this is the results that happen. So of course, going forward, I need to stick to my same routines instead of going weeks or however long without doing my hair. So